To ensure that you maximise your wear times and don't run into problems with skin reactions, just follow these guidelines. The first is to make sure that we have clean, dry skin. Remove any lotions or oils using soap and water and towel dry. Make sure that you remove the hair. Razors can sometimes result in skin reactions, so a set of clippers generally takes off sufficient hair and we don't run into problems with reactions. We can also use the adhesive spray, particularly if people are going straight into the water or straight out onto the sporting field or are going to be getting hot and sweaty. That will just maximise that adhesion. Okay. So when cutting the tape, it's helpful to just round the corners, and that will reduce the likelihood of the tape lifting or peeling. The adhesive is very strong, but if you don't need to get your fingers on the glue, that maximises adhesion. So in order to do that, just simply twist lightly to tear the backing paper, and then just a small pull, and that allows you to stick the tape down without having to touch the adhesive surface.